कांग्रेस पार्टी के जनरल सेक्रेटरी के सी वेणुगोपाल ने बताया है कि कायद अपोजिशन लोकसभा राहुल गांधी हाथरस जाने पर गौर कर रहे हैं। वेणुगोपाल ने बताया कि राहुल गांधी हाथरस में मुतासरीन से मुलाकात कर सकते हैं। उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि मणिपुर को लेकर वज़ीर आज़म नरेंद्र मोदी ने काफ़ी ताख़ीर के बाद अपना रद्द-ए-अमल जाहिर किया है। मणिपुर के MP को ऐवान में बोलने तक नहीं दिया गया।
It was quietly an unfortunate incident. Leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha is planning to visit Hathras. He will go to the Hathras and he will interact with the people, those who are affected. Then official response will be there.
Prime Minister officially spoke about Manipur and given a data saying that it's rise of politics and
Okay. You are now talking as Prime Minister has officially spoken about Manipur. Last 1.5 years, entire country is waiting for reaction. Day before yesterday, why the Parliament stuck? Only because of this issue. One member of Manipur. We asked for 5 minutes for a member of Manipur. We asked for 5 minutes for a member from Manipur, Lok Sabha member from Manipur. Before speaking, we asked the Prime Minister, before you speaking, at least hear the voice of Manipur. They were not ready. That is why the ruckus has started. Now